This is Lockdowel. My name is Steve Anderson. I'm the CEO of Lockdowel. Fred Keeley, and he's the founder of Lockdowel. Lockdowel is all about saving time is saving money. So what we're going to do here is we're going to demonstrate how Lockdowel can save you time, save you money. So Fred's going to put together a drawer box here.
Drawer box leaves open, so you can put the bottom in, slide it in, just flip the top back, flip it down, have that bottom plug in, down, top piece on, which you can see. I did this a lot of times.
So if you've ever assembled cabinets or drawer boxes as it relates to cabinets, simple is better. Much faster assembly. And think about shipping. Think about shipping a full truckload of assembled cabinets versus shipping cabinets flat pack. You're going to save so much more shipping flat pack. 75% reduction in shipping costs. We've had customers in Alaska that ship to remote places in Alaska. They save 75% in terms of shipping cost. The Lockdowel system entire system is patented globally. So save time, save money, reduce waste,